Kublai phi barosh ka thup khubor jongi ka dbmnTv. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka singi kilong. Arsi yo jing hikai bakerpang kinong hikai West Garo Hills. One tray field assistant AHNV laisin hak arsinam tam. Kerenga ki taksi ban phai chakapor shwa ka COVID-19. Ban penlat pat ba uba samlin ya ka ambulans ke HYC hakrang. Tementang nia phai ki khubor ki bakhamnia. Office District Planning rengkat bat ka Advantage Learn kala penlong ya kajing ai jing hikai bakerpang ba arsingi 2 orientation program ha district auditorium tura ya ki shispa ngot kinong hikai ban pentebet shushu ya ki kam hikai bat ki jing tip ki bayar kat kum kani ka juk ka ba menta u Vincent Hilton utrai jo ka Advantage Learn ula hikai bat batai ya ki nong hikai ha ki phang ba bonjat ki bayade bat ka jing start kani ka juk Ulapan kumnu kinong hikai ki deban long ki batbet ning kong na ladehi ya ki rukom hikai shaki khana. Kinong hikai ki deban treshi tom shwa na lade ki deban ya ka jingkit khli ya la ka kamram khnang ba kinong ki nuksa ya ki khana ki baki hikai. U Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hills Swapnil Tembe uladon banta hakasi bakot jong ka jing hikai bakerpang. Haka jingkran ulapan kan mau ya kinong hikai bakin sngotra ya la ka kam baki trei khnang ban kentiu bat kenting ya kerdan puli ha Meghalaya namar hakmat kari kani ka Jylla karon chatrai do ha kerdan ai jing hikai ki khna school habaya nujor bat ki wei ki Jylla kari India kinong penyat ya kani ka jing ai hikai bakerpang kila samru ya ki certificate kinong hikai ki balayawan ban simbanta ha kani ka program
Blessed to attend this program and it's such a good program that I have taken it personally. Till yesterday I was little feeling down, but today I am going out with lots of motivations.
I have come to attend this program, and it's very innovative. It gives us full of knowledge on how to deal with the students, and it helps us to look into our personality and how to deal with the students in general.
I have come here to attend this program. This is a very nice program under the able guidance of Sir Vincent. Really, this is wonderful for all us. Those who have attended this program really gathered lots of knowledge and a positive motivation.
Kinong alam ka seng ki samla pule Garo Students Union GSU kapasi para hadin ba kilayo ikijing ud babon kinong rap ki badon kijing ri kum ki blang ki masi ki siar bat kisniang ba kinong tray kani katanat penroy ki kamri jingri kim jupoi tikna sha office kilalet ban toket ha ka arpu pratarek ubanai Lber ban shem dala ki jongki khmat ya ka office animal husbandry and veterinary ka badon ha ka tega shnong Dala ki jongki khmat kila shamba field assistant salgam CH marak ubala thong dak office ban tray hagani ga jaka juwan tray satya barula no eki kam ki jam klem dale aa la shamru ba baro kinong tray jongkane ka office kim ju poi testa shala ki kam ki dok hakane ka sngi amdan I weiru inong tray ban poi shakane ka office la ujor kinong yalam ka GSU Nalor kata kila ut persyai usalgam CH marak ubala yo kam hakane ka office na du usnam 8000 arpway ulawan tray tang laisin hakini ki arsnam tam namar ka jing jaitu ba jing lesting jong new field assistant bon ki jing ri kila do hakani ka jaka namar umdon dawai ban sumar yaki kinong yalam ka GSU kila ujor haki bor bahalor joka AHNV office bakin toket yaki jingle jong usalgam CH marak bat lada shem ba ulesting yala ka kamram deban penwai bat slot no eka kam nauni unong tere ba jaitu kila ong
digna nga ya chengkali songo hongdongpa mandengwa digna chengaya veterinary mga ningkani ang khomatninga tawli kita chungni Jylla ni rangna maiba samrang ko saudung orang chenga chunga kita rang manjaya unia selo chenga bangin ningkani rang khomatninga
kapasi parani anga ongatsumida neya stockpoint center longin sumo ba mamung namgni ko chenga manja pasako ba wak matsu sarong ba rawo ba grungangan manja mandehon
Alam tinggal songa, eno veterinary dong acem, deba eno samrang dongja, aro cungi Jylla kemani rango sagen cem ngoba, am nak kebas samrang ko mandani keman nikani rango matnia.
Dalo cunga GSU kapasi pada unit ni kita veterinary department document center ko site visit kani ko dakenga. Maina cunga ya veterinary document center ro jian assistant field worker interest ungi yanuna watataku mana hajam salgam siet marak wa antangni kamu ba antangni duty attend khajainga wa badida ja or mai tariko yanu kamko join ka acham chinga uni gaman nami thalja aro maisikuja nake chinga chingni Jylla khimani rangko dakpingon basa ko ba sa dengan rangko mana chingni Jylla khimani rang wa Jylla khimani rangko sanna bana kata chinga sam ko ba manja aro yanuna sanna bana rabana kata ba yanuni insurance ba assistant field worker yano dongrongja uni aselo chinga chingni Jylla khimani rang sagen chimoba chinga wako gematna nangona sukata ndake chinga ya mijabusi December jarango acak sarinang ko mana acak sanirang ko maningon chinga inuna samrang ko rana kataba riba chem samrang ko manja aro yano sana bana kataba yano gen assistant onge watata ko mana chem waba ya office to dongja wani asel chinga chingni Jylla khimani ko gematna nanga arun ndake mija wak sanirang ko mana ha wak sanirang ko maningon chinga sanna kata manja ndake chinga chingni jilgepa wak rangko ba gematna nangona sokata ndake chinga yani bidungo da site visit ka ani ko dakinga jian yan chingni Jylla khimani ko dakingon chinga namme warangko sanna bana manjai gematna nangona sokani aselo chingna blong ini nikani ko maninga ini asel chinga yano dal site visit kana dari baha je assistant field worker yanona watat ako mana hachum chinga wani kosako sandiani rangko dakken aro department officer rangna memorandum kongen disina memorandum kongen aro yani kosako dongeng pa mandirang nirok samsakatani ko dakchina chinga didiani ko GSU unit ni kita onatinga
Kinonya taksi Shillong kila kernga ban phaj ki por chwa ban wan ka khlam COVID-19 hakaliang ka kamai ka ji jongki. COVID-19 ula ai ma de ka dor som taksi ka bala bu ikinong let nong wan bat ki khna school haka jinglut ka bala khta iki pla pisa jongki. Kat ba ki taksi ki kamai paho bada ka dor bai song kali kala kiu bunsha. Dangshan haka arpusan tarik Lber ka sorkar lengba ka hukum bala penmi kala betha iki taksi baki deban kamai bat kit nonglet nongwan kumba Jyllong haki por shwa ban wan ka khlam COVID-19 layo jingtip baki nongnya taksi kila aidaw pakai petrol ki marbam bat ki mar ki mata kila kiulut kumta kan bu jing yaki ban kamai haka dor shong kali kabarim
saya fitre ana am ta kamu tadi ngap no pasang sejati mentara dia sejati bahaya beliau mentara dong sama sedian apa dah kita saya song beliau regular kita juga kamrai ko beliau kamrai mana punya terasi itu kan song sebuah mah kata tengok pi kawai nama kamsong teh hakador nama kamsong beliau nama sini bala he beliau mentara bin ong kita saung hadian do semer teror arpau ne hakador sipau ne mentara dah pesenjar umban syok ban syok pro kali na buat beliau teh nak penmi sakaro nomor tawat teng ru beliau bela kit school kun argot kuasi ora baik sekali morway beliau kalau TV snow pun nak snow tengah paket mentai bajukir kat nol kami kita sehari lain kot sakmat morway ini sini kan sama siu cakap tinggi tiap ka baik kali pak kalau kat nol tentu itu macam seminan ni lain kerak lain kau mak katai yang menyi bak kamai hang ni kan di bak kamai siu cakap tengah tiap sukar ko ang ba ya baik kali kan ka ana penhiar no teh dia baik kali teh ya ka mentah teh rupai baru ya biar sudah bila dah hak penyiar dia menjurna ya penyiar kan okey ya kalau baik kali mentah ka baik kali ka ayat mentah lakan usna mentah nadu corona mentah nadu covid mentah ka baik kali nilai isi baju kador ke bagi semua mentah laku kena covid terus nama berpikiran ini tengah kador baik kali hak segera borok itu mentah Khubor paho kali bersenjar lemon. Khubor bersenjar kali pa dong sama turun bersenjar. Taman pohi. Ha? Khubor paho kali dapat kali seno kami jubab. Kim jubab ha. Ngila kerti ngila kumi komtai ha. Khubor bersenjar kali pa. Kami sekarang seno bersenjar pa. Bagi sarong. Bagi kita tahap terakhir keluar saya pun tak kan jalan betul itu ter. Gombolong menginong kamai bersenjar ulang tahi. Dai.
Kadawan biar petrol kat tiu kador tinggi lah penyiar biar kat tiu kador di sini lapor manusia kador petrol kat kador apa penyiar apa kabai petrol ke jam ni belong ban kita ngelayu ban kitam no iwi passenger kemut ni atam tang iwi passenger dengan terdekat no kador barim kami hap kador manusia kita nongtang sanbu dinga dan ni sispak dinga passenger kita ka pemlak bi ban belong ada ka hap ban ai bida karet ban mai ke pak ban mangan to penuh maka petrol kalau $1 baru kait mana $1 aduh ki pindah keren aduh ki 4 kali aduh ki tayar kali mentah ke $1 ki हजार kau kita tayar 4 kali mobil batang 1000 kat aspak mentah 1000 seneng baik nemu asyuk tangi berit dah aduh ki itu berit baria ki 4 kali laki ulun baru kait kita aduh ki marba aduh ki rai baru kait ki ulun mendai tangi jong kali mendai ke hapat perkhat ki ban sinar ko wi kador permai mo susah baik kador kajuk tak kamlak menong. Ada orang bagian kit kumjuk diberi kimat kit riungut ne. Kimat ai ban kit apa tak kom kit dai tersan ngut di dai bagian mo. Ya kembang dikit badan kit saungut. Diwe sekemat lai sedien. Bila ada kit sangut kemut sau sedien diwe sekemat. Digini otam kan no. Penyiar kador bagian dia kador barim. Kador barim ni kadang sang ngendik kita kata kesong ajinya baik di besar di kesong bagi lain baik pada gila naga long kacong ka asosiasyon te gila pan bait naga tugas tan bagi sim katu gin thep katungut gila adjust te amdi benong bagi sim bait kador ka ba benong bagi sim bait kum kata kador por bensa corona gin thep nyop ha mbang sikalin riu nyongut bang ku kam dei ya pan pan bait gin madala tim sim ju ka kador gila sim tang nador naksan pho mo gila pan her sau pho ne lai pho ya pan thep ya pan adjust lang bat pasenda dia kata di pasenda ki pun di bakwaan song bahaya marwai bersukwa abi bersubuk marwai ini ki kuan song marwai tama ban buk lagi benur dari song lang bagi wet atau kebut kibun kibri melak penuhan kibri dalam kejinglong gitu apa roy dan try itu syai ban kit kata kan kom dihap nya penbej bat kabai petrol lagi hap ban iu dia menong tang ya kabai kali abi hap berkat saya kabai petrol ke petrol kat no ka kiu musuang mai bai kali penhiar kabai petrol kan penhiar dan nonton iu kahap ban penhiar don rengkat bat petrol kan penhiar tang kabai kali dia mah Lalu kita baru kait kiki ulut untuk marbam nak naik orang iki tang marbam kita baru kait kiki ulut. Jen ong penhiar tang kabai kali tang ya kabai kali ben penhiar tang kamla benong. Kadi ban kiu ban kin ban kiu ulut di baru. Abal kiu baru kadi ban kiu lang bai kali. Ndi benong ban penhiar ban. Apa tu ngak bisa su ka tu ban kap. Bisa bet tang marwai sempat kau ngot dia. Saus dia.
Kamu mental ada ong ban lek dia mentar kamu mitam tak iwe ke
mitam tak iwe ka hapan snai dah kawi garet ke ka bai kali nanti ka ban ong ban sa ka kador ka barim ke hapan ai dah kawi garet ban mai manong ya kador ka barim de tanam la su ban tangga bai petrol ka nami su kade maka petrol ka laki di arho di tam je ba naka nyuku dai pu tam de la pai arho tam ni kade
Uba Samlin Malnyang, MLA Barim Kasoyong, ula pelaj paj ba eka ambulans bala penyo daka Neutrap Youth Council Hasnok Krang, haka arpu pratarik Lber. Haka bala don lang usamla job lang Kharnayor, Assistant General Secretary, uba Sherbor Maulong, MDC, barkinong tere jangka Health Department.
Jingdon jong ka ambulans joka HYC Krang Unit, kalong kacimentoy ke. Wasait lah habakidon kinong kerpa ipi. Yale ban thaula banyak ket banyak balang tingong ipi hakini kisgi ki ba menta kabang ya lenti ban pai basanchar kampai ba kalong gasgi badap dak jingkan tho tengi ngisgo bayode gum kinong yalam yem dai ban snow red museum dak kidong jingkan tho gide ban penpet yaldi lada kadai ke batai penpet yaka lada ka day ka bom day ngin simba kalong babyang ya ceprang ya kam te kan ni ngi don hangni baro kidan na kajong ka banta ka bakra ka seng HYC mata ka sngi ka day ka sngi ka bakar pang epi hne po union te ka sumpan ai ka play ka pang epi te kinne girang ba Shillong ru ibadon hangni kini ru kidai barket ya ka yapir ka iya tang sudan bakla ki may teman pateman apa te burung ba Shillong kini kita kitiet jong gari bakcet bakli tengirung itu lang hangne baro ki pastor teman masan bergerak balang ro kita ki wei ki ban ai man sim ya ka man sim ka batrot ka baswai bat ka jing pang jing stom ki don ma ki dua yang ni yo ya ta jing ko jing ya tingi don hang ni ki long kmi jongi ki long pa jongi ladam don ma pi te kari bajan riu ka kot te dam don chuk kmi ki pa ma do ban kha to ki ne ru ki dei ta ki ban pan ki im ya kari bajan riu jongi bat i don hang ni Kumunong sancar pamale pamdisi kineru kini bantrai nam ta jompi banyara nam ta kia kasion nam ta jingdon kam jopai ba laga dei hagano do kaliang mut kineru gitu te to hangni ka jingi trelang kendai ka bo mo ka jingi trelang hangni kalong ka bo tingi pan ingi don tan khandian hande ka thong ba de ka dei ka bayar ka wat ka taru ka dikawai
Haka arbu pradari Lber ki dekhot jangka seng Kongres ha Meghalaya kila penlong da ka jinge lumlang ha Kongres Bhavan ban persha e ka jingle jaka sarkar NDA hapo ka jinge lam jong menteri rang badu Narendra Modi kabala slot no e ka jinglong nongmi khmat jong Rahul Gandhi kumu dekhot jaka yeng dorbar thawan Lok Sabha habaya kran berkilat pathai Khubor u ba Roni Vilingdo ulaya thu ba ka jing slot no yaki jinglong nomi khmat u Rahul kadai na kadau ba udai u breu bakran persha iki kam ba ka sarkar ka baya lambakla yaki nongsong snong kari uba Roni uloong ba 4 Judon haka recent shar pat ba u breu bala je deki pat ba unsha slot no nakakam tang na kadau ba ukran persha iki kam baman ka sarkar hapo ka jingelam jong menteri rang badu Narendra Modi kinoilam ka Kongres ha Meghalaya kila penramjur yakani ka jingle jaka sarkar India.
The action against our leader, Shri Rahulji, we have staged this protest to mark a protest by the Congress Party of Meghalaya, and then we condemn the disqualification. This is suppressing the democratic right, suppressing the democratic freedom of speech, expression by the NDA government led by Narendra Modi ji. So we condemned. This is ultimate. They want to suppress the truth that our leader Rahul Gandhi ji has been raising in Parliament, has been raising in various platforms about the misgovernance, about the misrule, about the trying to suppress democratic rights, trying to kill democracy, and even go to the extent of disqualifying a leader of the Congress Party by disqualifying him as a member of Parliament. This is, I think, not seen anywhere in the world where an democratically elected leader has been disqualified by very, very unfair means. We only express a strong opposition. We condemn this action taken by the Modi government against our leader Rahul Gandhi, because they are fearing, they have been rattled by the response, the support that is getting from the people all over the country with his Bharat Joro Yatra, where we are trying to ensure that irrespective of caste, creed, gender, we are all Indians, and that is the message that we've been sending. And I think because the NDA government survives on creating this communal division, communal hatred based on caste, creed and gender. So the Congress Party, our leader Rahul Gandhi, believes in uniting the country, that we live peacefully, coexist harmoniously irrespective of all our differences, because India is a country, we believe in unity in diversity. They believe in unity in uniformity. We protest against that.
I said
we will carry on until justice is done.
Tomorrow we will have
tomorrow we're going to have a press conference to express our views and about this action of the NDA government.
Kakam rap krai, kadai kakam kabaslam ha hapo ka Jylla Meghalaya nadu Khubor bahandai hentai. Bun kilong shwa jungi ki bam da ukrai ban pen kedang ya ka Khubor. Ban pen KM biang ya ka jing rap krai ka bala sedang dojan ka Food Safety Standards Authority of India ha ka jing pet jong ka Ministry of Health and Family Welfare ha ka arpu prabat arpu khandai tare Lber arhajar arpulai kala pen long tamasa ya de ya thet hamadan malki Shillong ha ka bala wan ya shimbanta da bun kinong rap krai na rilum khasi ba jantia Haba jingkran hagani ka sngi da ka kongsan ka kong amprin amblengdo menteri penroi kamrep ha ka Jylla kala kentu ban kersiu thia biang ya ka rep krai hagani ka Jylla. Hagani ka yau ya dia thit Hamadan Malki ladon lang ka assistant commissioner kam nodal officer Millet mela kong DBS mukim kong ar kurba ka bapet ya ka tanat ka kot ka khia bat kiwe ki officer jang ka sarkar Jylla.
Of Agriculture, ma'am, I forgot to also say hello to you and thank you. I've learned a lot from your speech, madam. I'm happy to know that millet is an alternative crop that can be inculcated very easily and adapted very easily across the people of the region and the state in particular. I'm happy to hear that you have so much information which is so valuable. The fact that millet has a shelf life of 2.5+ years is something which I didn't know. Even our local rice produce doesn't have that long a shelf life. And yes, in crisis times, millet can be the alternative staple diet of the people of the state of Meghalaya. And yes, we've gone away, we've gone some points ahead and also said that millet is indigenous to the extent that it is also used in several fermented drinks of the people of the state of Meghalaya. So all having said and done, as the Agriculture and Family Welfare Minister of the Government of India and as the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, I am very, very happy to associate myself with this very innovative style of propagating millet within the ambit of food safety. Interesting, very interesting. Checking to see the contents of the value of the crop called millet. Amazing that it can also intervene for iron deficiency. It can intervene for diabetics, for hypertension. So these are all very known mental disorders in the community. And usually we roam across not just our own state, but also beyond the state and above and beyond to look for good health. But then good health is right there at your own cultivators' farms. Should remember and be thankful for, and with much happiness and with much humility, I congratulate the organization of this Eat Right Millet Mela, and I look forward to see this food grain also being added to some of the interventions of the government of Meghalaya and the government of India, likewise, to inculcate good eating habits, healthy food to the younger generation. And I am sure that now that we have much knowledge about this golden crop that has a multiple value in the market as well as in our own personal lives, we should popularize this and take it across to every corner of the state, giving hope to millet growers. Amazing information that the Director of Agriculture has just shared with us. People's lives have changed because they adopted millet cultivation. Now that again is very encouraging information, knowing that our community are slow starters but quick learners. I hope that many more farmers will be rejuvenated in their farming practices by taking up millet cultivation, which, as we now understand, grow in the most adverse conditions of weather. And I think that this is a value that should be spread, and this is information that should be shared. And it is so nice now to know that millet can practically go with every food that is popular in the market. I just prepare ban yo jing tip jing nang but ban I jing tip jing nang lem ye ki wei ki bampat smutho ya ka jing don kam jong ukrai kum uwei na kita ki ma rep ki bala ban malam shibon ki jing baha haka im lang ka sa lang smutanat shibon ban yo I baki nong rep ki jongi naki NAKA horticulture department ru baki wan baki niya snok tilang bat kum kani ka program kabanyaram ya kata kajing skong tho jong kajing don kam jong ka department ka rep ka riang kaba skong tho bat kaba itho ya kajing la kajing nang kajing tip jong kita kinong red kibadai ki dekot ki bakong san ha ka imlang ka sa lang jong ka Jylla ka bait ki jongi. We're also very happy to see all these the most delicious items of millet, thanks to the United Nations for recognizing millet as not only a very nutritious crop, but a crop that is actually dying in its cultivation. I have been fortunate in the last 2 weeks and a half to understand that there are various areas across the state of Meghalaya where millet cultivation is also keenly integrated to culture. Amazing songs on millet, amazing dances on millet, which go on to prove that millet is a crop that is a valued-based crop for the people of the state of Meghalaya.
Barak itu ki Khubor na poy bakun tarhadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibun.